While cleaning clears your face to a certain extent, it is not enough to get rid of all the impurities that your face collects throughout the day. Using a toner helps remove any leftover buildup of dirt that your cleaner could not get to. It is a necessity for people with oily skin because it helps to shrink the pores, restores the pH balance of your skin, and it adds a layer of protection and creates the perfect base upon which moisturizer can be applied. You can prepare some really effective toners at home for your oily skin. Check out 5 such DIY toner recipes for oily skin.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you are suffering from acne and are looking for an easy solution to treat your acne-prone skin, this DIY Witch Hazel Toner might be a great option for you. Let's go through the required ingredients. To prepare this toner, you're going to need 1/4 cup of witch hazel, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 5 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of frankincense oil, and a spray bottle to store. Procedure and application. To prepare this toner, just mix all of the ingredients well and store it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. Use a cotton pad to apply it all over your face. So let's check out the benefits of these ingredients. Witch hazel works as a natural astringent and cleaning agent. It helps to keep debris from settling in the pores and reduces sebum production in the skin. Apple cider vinegar is also an astringent ingredient and will help in dealing with your oily skin. Not only does the vinegar help balance the pH of your skin, but the enzymes present in it help prevent further breakouts. Tea tree oil works as an antibacterial and prevent acne breakdown. The frankincense oil is great to soothe skin and it reduces the appearance of blemishes. Our next favorite DIY toner is the Aloe Rose Toner that will hydrate your skin while reducing oil secretion. Let's check out the required ingredients first. To prepare this toner, you will need 3 tablespoons of aloe vera, 1/4 cup of rose water, 1/4 cup of witch hazel, and a bottle to store. Procedure and application. To prepare this toner, just mix all the ingredients well and store it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. Use a cotton pad to apply this all over your face. The benefits. Aloe vera helps to hydrate your skin, absorb oil, sebum, or dirt in your pores, and it's a natural astringent, while simultaneously hydrating the skin. Rose water reduces oil secretion and cleans pores from deep within. Witch hazel works as a natural astringent as well and a cleaning agent. It helps to keep debris from settling in the pores and reduces sebum production in the skin. Flawless skin is a dream of every woman, and the Peppermint Tea Toner works amazing on inflammation and acne. Let's check out the required ingredients. To prepare this toner, you will need 1 cup of brewed peppermint tea, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a bottle to store. Procedure and application. To prepare this easy DIY toner, just mix all the ingredients well and store it in the fridge. Use a cotton pad to apply this all over your face. So let's go through the benefits of these ingredients. Peppermint tea contains menthol and antioxidants that help to restore your skin and also work as an astringent. The cooling sensation of menthol further provides relief from inflammation and rashes of acne. Lemon helps to exfoliate your skin and also controls sebum production in oily skin. Looking for a hydrating skincare that will minimize the production of excess oil? The Cucumber Mint Toner will be the right choice for you. Required ingredients. To prepare this toner, you will need half of a cucumber, 5 to 6 mint leaves, 1 cup of water, and then 5 drops of lemon oil in a bottle to store. Procedure and application. At first, simmer the cucumber slices and mint leaves for 5 to 6 minutes and then strain it. Cool it down, add lemon oil, and store it in a bottle. Use a cotton pad to apply all over your face. Benefits. Cucumbers serve well as natural toners, especially for oily skin. They help to hydrate your skin without it turning oily. Mint leaves help in soothing burnt skin apart from removing excess oil and dirt. Lemon oil helps fight inflammation and free radicals that can contribute to acne and photoaging. Rosewater has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, and using it as a toner, it will help to clear away dead skin cells and impurities from your pores. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this toner, you will need 1/4 cup of rosewater and a pinch of camphor and a bottle to store. Procedure and application. Mix both of the ingredients and store it for 1 to 2 weeks. Use a cotton pad to apply this all over your face. Benefits of these ingredients. Rosewater works as a mild hydrator and also reduces the redness and acne-affected skin. Adding a pinch of camphor helps counter infection and clogged hair follicles, reducing acne buildup of oil, dirt, and bacteria, and by reducing inflammation. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.